Hi viewers, welcome to Ganisk YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create polybeam in Tekla Old version, just like this. Okay, let's start. To open Tekla Old version, double click on this icon on your desktop. In environment, you need to select US Imperial and role steel detailing and configuration also steel detailing. Then click on OK. Click on new model. Let's give the model name project 6 and template steel detailing and model type single user. Then click on OK. Select this 3D view and then click on this arrow and close this window. And click on this window and drag it. Then click on maximize it. Okay, now we're going to create views. So click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Then click on create and then click on OK and OK. To open view list, you can use the shortcut Control I, or you can click on here view and then click on view list here to open this view list. Okay, now for example, we're going to create a polybeam at level planet elevation 10 feet. So select this planet elevation 10 feet, then click on this arrow and close it. Currently we are in planet 10 feet. Okay, now we're going to create polybeam. So click on this icon, create polybeam. So select this icon. You can see in command bar it's asking pick polygon position. So pick first point and second point and third point, fourth point. You can create any n number of points. Okay, for example, if you want to end these points, picking points, then press the scroll middle button to create polybeam. You can see now we have created polybeam like this. Then right click on mouse interrupt. Now click on this window and select this 3D view to open 3D view like this. Now use the shortcut Control R and pick the position here. Then you can rotate like this with the mouse left key, like this. Okay, this is the single beam. We can call it as a polybeam like this. Okay, for example, if you want to create a curved at this corner, then select this beam. Now double click on this point. You will get this chamfer property window. Under type, you need to click on here, and you, for example, if you want to create curved beam, you need to select this option, curved option. Then you need to enter here the radius. For example, if you want to, for example, we're going to take here 2 feet radius. Then click on modify. You can see now we have the 2 feet radius like this. For example, if you want to create a 3 feet, then enter here 3 feet, then click on modify. You can see now we have 3 feet radius curvature like this. Then click on apply OK. Click on space, right click on mouse, data view. Okay, you can see now we have the curve like this. Similarly, you can create curve or chamfer at this location. For example, select this beam, double click on this point. You'll get this chamfer property here. For example, if you want to create this chamfer, then select the second option. Now enter here X direction. Let's take 2 feet, and in Y direction also let's take 2 feet. Then click on modify. You can see now with the chamfer with the X direction 2 feet and Y direction also 2 feet like this. Okay, for example, if you want to create here inverted curved beam like this, then enter here the radius here. Let's take 3 feet. Then click on modify. You can see now we have inverted curved beam, this type of curve like this. You can select any option as you require from this list at here. Okay, then click on modify. If you want to change this radius, so let's take 2 feet, then click on modify. You can see now we have the 2 feet radius. If you want to create a 4 feet radius, then enter 4 feet, click on modify like this. Then click on modify, apply, OK. Now click on this window and select this planet 10 feet. You can create polybeam as you require. For example, you can say select this polybeam option and pick the first point, second point, third point, fourth point here, and you can pick the fifth point and click the sixth point. You can pick any number of points as you required, then press the scroll middle button to create a polybeam like this. Right click on interrupt. Now click on this window and select this 3D view. You can see now we have the polybeam with a different shape like this. For example, if you want to create a curved at this location, so select this polybeam, then double click on this point. Now click on here and select this radius, enter here radius 2 feet, then click on modify, apply, OK. Similarly, you can enter here also, double click on it, select this curved beam, let's take here 3 feet, then click on modify, apply, OK, like this. Okay, select it, and double click on this point here. Let's take here this one, enter here 3 feet, then click on modify. You'll get like this curved beam. Apply, OK. If you want to create here curved, then select this curved beam. Let's take here 4 feet, then click on modify. You'll get curved like this at this location. Okay, that's it about how to create polybeam in Tekla structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.